Beef popping, peppers, mojo, all up in you. Empanadas. The grease popping. It's hot. Ready to fry some empanadas. Okay, it got the discos, the dough for the empanadas, the cheese, and the cream cheese. One cheese and a half. You put the cream cheese on the side and you smear it. Then you're gonna get your ground beef. It's done. You get some ground beef, you put it in, and you fold it. And I will show you that in a moment. Okay. I'm trying to record and do this at the same time. You fold it like that. Make sure all ends are closed. Then you get your fork and you close it. Got 4 closed up now. Gotta finish some more off. Let's drop this in. Ooh, this is hot. Don't sit too long. When they turn this color, like a light crispy brown, you take them out. All done. Time to eat and enjoy. Don't they look delicious? My work. Yes. Look at that juicy cream cheese and that juicy cheese. This shit is delicious and yummy.